Late-night Filipino foods around that feel made for Doomscroll recovery. The blue light of your screen casts a familiar glow in your darkened room. You have been scrolling for hours, reading headlines that drain your energy and staring at social media feeds that leave you feeling anxious. Your stomach gives a small, hollow protest. It is past midnight, and instant noodles or a stale bag of chips just will not cut it tonight. You need something real, warm, and restorative. This is where late-night Filipino foods around that feel made for Doomscroll recovery come into play. These dishes provide a savory, comforting embrace that pulls you out of the digital haze. They offer a moment of peace when the outside world feels chaotic. Filipino cooking is built on bold flavors, rich history, and the simple act of sharing a meal. These recipes grew out of necessity and were perfected over generations to bring maximum satisfaction to anyone at the table. From tangy, acidic notes to sweet, creamy textures, this food acts as a sensory reset. It helps you disconnect from the virtual noise and reconnect with the simple pleasure of a hot bowl of food. Forget the existential dread for a moment. Let's talk about the specific dishes that will turn your late-night mood around. Late-night Filipino foods around that feel made for Doomscroll recovery, the savory stars. This section explores the savory dishes that are the gold standard for late-night dining. These meals hit every craving, offering a level of comfort that fast food simply cannot match. Silog powerhouses, the breakfast of champions. The term silog is a portmanteau of siningag, garlic fried rice, and itlog, egg. These meals are everywhere in the Philippines at all hours, making them a perfect staple for night owls. The beauty lies in the combination of garlic-infused rice, a perfectly fried egg with a runny yolk, and your choice of protein. Tapsilog, this features tapa, which is cured beef. It is salty, slightly sweet. Long silog, this uses longanisa, a Filipino sausage. These sausages vary by region, but they are often sweet or garlicky and spicy. They offer a rich, meaty flavor that is incredibly satisfying after a long night of stress. Notes: Arroz caldo and lugo, the ultimate congee comfort. When you feel weary or stressed, nothing hits the spot quite like a bowl of warm rice porridge. Arroz caldo is a thick, gingery chicken and rice soup that warms you from the inside out. It is often topped with hard-boiled eggs, toasted garlic bits, and fresh green onions. The ginger is the key. It is soothing, aromatic, and cuts through the richness of the chicken broth. Lugo is the simpler, blank canvas version of this dish. It is a plain rice congee that acts as a base for whatever toppings you want. You can add fried shallots or leftover meat. The texture is soft, thick, and incredibly easy to eat when you are tired. It is comfort in a bowl. Lugo when your brain needs the gentlest possible landing. Lugo, that soothing rice porridge energy, deserves a place in every conversation about comfort. It overlaps with congee in some ways, sure, but its own flavor world and homey presence make it feel distinct. Ginger, garlic, chicken, scallions, crispy toppings if you want them. Softness, but with enough savory backbone to keep things interesting. There is something deeply kind about a bowl of lugo. That's the phrase I keep coming back to. Kind. And maybe that's what late-night food really is at its best. Not indulgence. Not a reward. Just kindness in edible form. Kinilo, a brighter, tangier rejuvenation. Sometimes you do not want something heavy or greasy late at night. Kinilo is a raw seafood dish, similar to ceviche, that uses vinegar as the main curing agent. It is bright, acidic, and incredibly refreshing. It wakes up your palate instantly. Commonly made with fresh tuna or tunig, the fish is tossed in cane or coconut vinegar, calamansi juice, minced ginger, onions, and chili peppers. The vinegar cooks the fish slightly, changing its texture to something firm yet delicate. The heat from the chili and the punch of the ginger provide a sharp, clean flavor that feels like a reset button for your brain. It is the perfect antidote to the lethargy of staring at a screen for hours. Sweet escapes, indulgent treats to end the scroll. If the savory dishes do not do the trick, the sweet side of Filipino cuisine will. These desserts are designed to end your late-night hunger with a smile. Halo Halo, the grand finale of coolness. Halo Halo literally translates to mix mix. It is a chaotic, colorful, and delicious dessert that is almost impossible to finish without feeling happy. The base is crushed ice mixed with evaporated milk, creating a creamy, slushy texture. Inside the glass, you will find a treasure hunt of ingredients: sweetened red beans, chickpeas, coconut strips, jelly cubes, and slices of fruit. It is topped with a scoop of ube ice cream and a slice of creamy leche flan. Mixing it all together before eating is a ritual. It is cold, sweet, and provides a multi-textured experience that forces you to focus on the food rather than your notifications. Turon and banana Q, fried sweetness. Fried bananas are a street food staple that translates perfectly to a late-night snack. Turon consists of saba bananas, plantains, wrapped in a thin lumpier wrapper, often with a slice of jackfruit, and fried until crispy. The wrapper shatters when you bite it, revealing the hot, soft, and sweet banana inside. Banana Q is even simpler. Whole bananas are coated in brown sugar and deep-fried until the sugar caramelizes into a hard, sticky shell. They are then skewered on a bamboo stick. Ube, or purple yam, is a star in Filipino desserts. Its earthy, slightly nutty flavor is unique and deeply satisfying. Ube halaya is a thick jam made from boiled and mashed ube, sugar, and milk. It is rich and creamy, often served as a topping or eaten by the spoonful. Ube ice cream is another late-night favorite. It is vibrant in color and has a smooth, velvety texture that feels like a treat. The where and how, finding your late-night Filipino food. You do not need to be in Manila to find these treats. The scene has changed, and it is easier than ever to track down a comforting meal. The rise of 24/7 eateries. More Filipino restaurants and food stalls are staying open late to cater to the night shift crowd and late-night diners. If you live in a city with a decent Filipino population, look for 24/7 on the signs of local eateries. Many of these places specialize in silog meals because they are fast to cook and high in protein. Delivery apps have also changed the game. Many Filipino restaurants now offer late-night delivery, meaning you can get a hot bowl of arroz caldo delivered to your door while you are still in your pajamas. Search your local delivery platform for Filipino and check the closing times. You might be surprised at what is available at 1 a.m. DIY comfort. If you cannot find a restaurant, you can make your own comfort food with a few pantry staples. Keep your freezer stocked with pre-marinated tocino or tapa. They take less than 10 minutes to fry in a pan with a little oil. For rice, keep a bag of jasmine rice on hand. For the porridge lovers, buy a box of instant arroz caldo mix or keep ginger, garlic, and chicken bouillon cubes in your pantry. You can boil rice with chicken stock and ginger to get a quick, homemade version of lugaw. The key is to keep garlic, eggs, and a bottle of good vinegar or soy sauce ready. With these basics, you are never more than minutes away from a recovery meal. The late-night scroll can become a dark loop that drains your mood. But it does not have to leave you empty. Filipino cuisine offers a way out. With its focus on warmth, bold flavors, and textures that feel like a hug, this food provides a real break from your digital habits. Whether you choose a savory silog meal to power you through the night, a soothing bowl of lugaw to calm your nerves, or a sweet halo halo to change your pace, you are doing more than just eating. You are resetting your day. The next time you find yourself stuck in the scroll, step away and look for your own edible SOS. It is waiting for you, and it will make those long, late hours much easier to handle.